There are contents that when you read, you're fascinated not just by the idea being communicated, but by the creative use of words. That kind of artistic crafting that animates sentences, synchronizes the beatings of your heart to the pronunciations of the syllables. That the same letters which fundamentally holds no emotions now evolve. They come alive, animated by rhythm and imaginations, as if the syllables themselves have gained breath, being molded as instruments of healing, arsenals of seduction, standing as custodians of anger and dread. Unfortunately, people will ascribe this magic to the letters themselves and its pronunciation. But I hold a contrary opinion. The letters are not weighty. The combination is purely man-made. What if there were no words? What if there were no letters? Would communication cease? Would our communication then be less effective without words? Or would we still find ways to transmit meaning, to stir emotions, to shape civilization and create connections? Strip language down to its roots and words become sounds, mere vibrations in the air. Perhaps then it is not the words that carry the message, but the sound. There are uncertain sounds in the affairs of men. There are familiar vibrations which we've gotten used to. Sounds disguised as words, yet communicate fear, shame, doubt, humanity. People hear what's not being said, but they understand it. For it is known among men. It is common among the children of men. But then, there are other foreign sounds. Sounds that do not merely echo in the ear, but strike the spirit. Sounds that shape essence, that alters existence, dilutes convictions, and set contrary thoughts to flight. They pierce to the dividing of the soul and marrow. They strip a man bare, leaving him toe to toe with his maker. When they come, they demand resonance. They call thoughts to attention. They command reverence. So ask yourself, what sounds are you living by? For man shall not live by bread alone, but by every sound finds its source from the mouth of God. I don't think God speaks words.